where it's an image, we will edit this image by using the different techniques. So we will make the selection around the characters of the image, add some filters from the filter gallery. We will try to make a modern art on the surface. So that it is. Again I will make a selection on that one. Use the filter. So here I will change the color there. Then go to the filter gallery. So we will use the characters, add some grayness. So that's our design.